students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 7 fractions, addition and subtraction case only. Solve this question. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 we want to solve. So we are looking at both fraction have different denominators. That's why first of all what we want to do, take the LCM of 3 and 7. First of all we want to take. Both are prime numbers, that's why directly multiply 3 into 7 because how much 21 is the LCM of 21 is the LCM of 3 and 7. So first fraction take, first fraction consider 2 by 3, 3 table when we get to 21, 3 into 7 become 21. So numerator and denominator, any change make in the denominator, same change make in the numerator also. Otherwise answer become wrong only. So numerator and denominator multiply with 7. Plus second fraction is 1 by 7. Denominator is which number? 7. Again think 7 table when we get answer 21. Why? Because LCM is 21, that's why. 7 3s are 2, that's why 7 is multiplied with 3. Any change make in denominator, same change make in the numerator. Then multiply 2 into 7 become how much? 14. 3 into 7 become 21. Plus here also 1 into 3 become 3. 7 3s are how much? 2. Now we make the denominator as a same. Previously denominators are different. We can't able to add directly. That's why now we make it as a same denominator. Remaining process we know. Same denominator means what we want to do. Numerator part just we add and the same denominator right. So next one is 14 is numerator 14 and numerator 3 add and same denominator one time right. Add 14 plus 3 comes to be how much? 17 by 21. Same denominator right. Cancellation possible, cancel. Here cancellation not possible. So answer become how much? 17 by 21. Then next the same way second question. Second question is like this, 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. We want to add this number. Here looking at both fraction have different denominator. So first our aim is what we want to do, make it as a same denominator. How to make it as a same denominator? LCM take LCM of 7 and 3. What is LCM of 7 and 3? 7 and 3 both are a prime number. That's why just we multiply 7 3s are how much? 21. Here also first fraction 5 by 7, 7 table when we get to 21 3 times. So numerator and denominator multiply with 3. Plus second fraction is 1 by 3 table when we get LCM answer 21. 3 into 7 become 21. So numerator and denominator multiply with 7. Next step multiply. 5 3s are how much? 50. 7 3s are how much? 21. Then 1 into 7 becomes 7. 3 into 7 become 20. Now see both of them have a same denominator. The numerator part just we add. So 15 plus 7 all divided by denominator one time. 15 plus 7 comes to be how much? 22 by a denominator because how much? 21 is the answer. Then one more same model, another number, one more question. Same model. Then here third question we can take it as third question. Here we take it as 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. This question we want here also different denominators. We want to make it as a same denominator. How to make it as a same denominator? Take the LCM of a denominator. Which are the denominators? 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are the denominators. Take LCM of the denominator. 5 and 3 both are prime numbers. That's why directly we can multiply. 5 3s are how much? 15. Then first fraction 4 by 5 take it. Then thinking 5 table when we get to 15. 5 3s are 15. Why? Because LCM become 50. That's why. Same any change make in denominator, same change make in the numerator also. So multiply with 3 with the numerator. Plus 2 by 3. Here the denominator is 3. How to change 3 as 15? 3 table when we get to 15? 3 5s are 15. So 3 is multiplied with 5, we get to 15. See here also same change make in the numerator. What change we make it in denominator? Same change make in the numerator. Then multiply 4 3s are how much? 12. 5 3s are how much? 15. Plus 2 5s are how much? 10. 3 5s are how much? 15. Then both are add. Now see both of them have a same deal. So next process what we want to do? Numerator part add 12 plus 10 and same denominator 1 time, right? And 12 plus 10 comes to be how much? 22 by a denominator become how much? 15. This way addition process. Subtraction also same only. And unlike terms denominator means make it as a same denominator and a numerator part just a subtraction doing. Fourth question subtraction case 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 we want to subtract to this number. How to subtract? First of all we take LCM of the denominator. What are the denominators? 4 and 3 are the denominators. Here also 4 and 3 both are a prime number, that's why directly we can multiply. 4 3s are how much? 12. Then first fraction 3 by 4 take. Then change the denominator 4 as a 12. How to change? Thinking 4 table when we get to 12 by 4 3s are at 12. Same change make in the numerator. That means same 3 use it to multiply the numerator also. Then here minus next fraction is 1. Again here denominator is 3. We want to change 3 as a 12. How to change? Thinking 3 table when we get to 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 is multiplied with 4. What change we make? Same change make in the numerator also. That same 4 is multiplied with the numerator 1 also. Then multiplication 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. See now denominator is 12. Minus here also second term case also 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12. Now see both having same denominator. That's why numerator part right and same denominator, right? Numerator subtract 9 minus 4 comes to be how much? 5 by 5 and same denominator, right? That is 5 by 12 is the answer. I hope you can understand how to add and how to subtract. Suppose 3 numbers are giving how to add and subtraction do. Like this type question. Here fifth question 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 3 numbers are the previous questions. 2 numbers only. Here 3 numbers are the same process only. First of all we take LCM. What are the denominators? 3 4 2. LCM how to do? Here prime factorize LCM. Last first chapter we learned that LCM how to find out. Draw the L shape box. 3 4 2 take. 3 is a prime number. That's why prime number 3 use and dividing. 3 table 4 not possible. That's why once again. 3 table 2 not possible. That's why once again. Again 4 2 table possible. So 1 2 table 4 2 times 2 table 2 1 time. Again 2 table here 1 2 table 2 1 time 1. So what are the factors? 3 into 2 into 2. That means 3 2s are how much? 6. 6 2s are how much? 12 is the LCM. So for 1 by 1 take first fraction 2 by 3. Then thinking 3 table when we get to 12. 3 into 4 become 12. What change we make in denominator? Same change make in the numerator. Plus second fraction also 3 by 4. Here a 4 table denominator is 4. Our aim is to change the denominator as 12. How to change a 4 table when we get to 12? 4 3s are 12. So numerator and denominator same 3 use it to multiply. Plus for third number that is 1 by 2. Then here also our aim is to convert remove 2 and we want to insert 12. How to keep then just thinking 2 table when we get to 12. 2 6 are 12. So same 6 use it to multiply numerator and denominator. Then multiply 2 4s are how much? 8. 3 4s are how much? 12. Plus again 3 3s are how much? 9. 4 3s are how much? 12. Plus here 1 6 are how much? 6. 2 6 are how much? 6. Sorry, 2 6 are 12. So see, all denominators are the same denominator 12. The numerator part just you write, and numerators are 8 plus 9 plus 6 and same denominator one time write on the denominator. Same denominator write one time. Then add 9 plus 6 will become how much? 15. 15 plus 8 comes to be how much? 23 by 12. Adding numerator and same denominator, right? So this is the procedure for three fractions coming time. Unlike fractions coming time, make it as a like fraction. And afterwards, numerator part just you add and same denominator, right? That is the procedure. Suppose mixed fraction type question coming time. How to solve that? Mixed fraction is given there. How to solve? 6th question. Mixed fraction coming time. How to solve that? Here I see 6th question 1 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 2 by 3 mixed fraction. For easy way we can calculate it as 1 plus whole number 1 plus here second term also whole number 3 plus. Next, first term having fractional number 1 by 3 plus second term also having fractional number 2 by 3 like this way. Then 1 plus 3 become how much? 4. Then here 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Here LCM become how much? There also, so they have same denominator, no problem. Numerator part just we add. So adding time and numerator fractions numerator, not 4. 4 is a one, that part leave there. Here fractions numerator. So 1 plus 3, 2 become how much? 3 and same denominator right one time. 3 and 3 cancelling, how much will come in 1. So 4 plus 1 comes to be how much? 5 is the answer. In this way, mixed fraction coming time we can solve and right. Or one more question, mixed fraction type. 4 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 4 mixed fraction. Here also same procedure. First whole numbers add. Which are the whole numbers? First term 4 is the whole number. Second term 3 is the whole number. Then again first term fraction number is 2 by 3. In second term fraction number is 1 by 4. In this way, right? Then whole numbers first we add. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. Plus here LCM take. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? Both are multiply. 3 4s are how much? 12. So first fraction take 3 table when we get to 12, 3 4s are 12. So any change make in denominator, same change make in the numerator. Plus second fraction also. Second fraction is 1 by 4. Our aim is to convert the denominator to the LCM 12. 4 table when we get to 12, 4 3s are 12. Same 3 use to multiply. Next step we adding 7 plus multiply. 7 4s are how much? 8. 3 4s are how much? 12. Plus again 1 3s are how much? 3. 4 3s are how much? 12. Here they have same like terms 12. So 7 plus a numerator part add 8 plus 3 and the same denominator part right. So answer become how much? 8 plus 3 become how much? 11 will come. 11 by 12 will get in there. So 7 plus 11 by 12. Again how to solve this one? Here LCM take. Here LCM become how much? LCM become 12 is the LCM. So first part denominator keep. No denominator means keep it as a 1. Just here one table when we get to 12, 1 is multiplied with 12, we get 12 as answer. Second fraction 11 by 12. 12 table when we get to 12 by 1 time. So numerator and denominator multiply with 12. So make it as the same denominator. 7 12s are how much? Here we get it as 84 by 12. Here we get 11 ones are 11 by 12. See now both of them have a same numerator part. Just we add 84 plus 11 and the same denominator 12, right? Add 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 1 95 by 12 is the final answer. This much we want to solve. Make it as a same denominator and a calculation doing. I hope you can understand this procedure. Then remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.